Welcome to Mantra Studio. Discover, learn, excel. Your tech evolution starts here. Ever wondered why some products succeed while others fail? Is it luck, timing, or is there a method to the madness? Today we are demystifying the product development process, starting with idea generation, the foundation of any product. This stage involves brainstorming sessions, market research, customer feedback, and competitor analysis. The aim is to generate and collect ideas for new products or improvements to existing ones. Next, we move to concept development. Here the ideas are refined into viable product concepts. This involves evaluating the feasibility of each idea, defining the target market, developing a value proposition, and creating initial design sketches. The third step is business analysis, where the commercial viability of the product concept is assessed. Cost estimation, sales and profit forecast, break-even analysis, and risk assessment are some activities involved in this stage. Then comes prototype development. A working model of the product is created to test its feasibility and make improvements. This is where materials and technology are selected, prototypes are developed, and feedback is gathered for refinement. The next step is product design and development. Here, the product design is finalized and preparations for production are made. Activities include finalizing product specifications, completing detailed designs, selecting suppliers, and developing packaging and branding materials. The product then moves to the testing and validation stage. This ensures the product meets all requirements and standards before full-scale production. Safety and compliance testing, quality assurance tests, and validation with beta testers or focus groups are key activities in this stage. The penultimate step is the market launch and commercialization. The product is introduced to the market in a way that maximizes its impact and reach. This involves developing a marketing strategy, creating promotional materials, training sales teams, and planning distribution. Finally, we have the post-launch review and scale-up, where the product's performance in the market is analyzed and plans for future growth are made. This involves collecting customer feedback, monitoring sales, identifying opportunities for product improvements, and planning for scaling up production. In summary, product development is a meticulous process involving 8 key steps: idea generation, concept development, business analysis, prototype development, product design and development, testing and validation, market launch and commercialization, and post-launch review and scale-up. Each step is crucial in ensuring the success of a product in the market. So the next time you see a product succeed or fail, remember, it's not just about luck or timing, it's about the process too.